Okay, let's make sweet potato, spinach, and prosciutto quiche. You are going to find that recipe in Cookie Dough, like it is. Served sweet potato quiche with prosciutto. The first step is you are going to turn on the oven that you may be here, and now the second part is that you have to slice this one 1 millimeter. So for this I'm going to use the cutter that I think is a perfect option, and I'm going to slice. So I'm going to skip that step from the cookie dough. How I'm going to do it is go to the house in the screen where we have all the molds, and I'm going to search for a slicing. I'm going to select the slice option in thin. So in that moment I'm going to select on, and the Thermomix is going to start, and I'm going only to put the sweet potatoes. Look, it's amazing. I love this option. And now I'm going to add paprika and olive oil. And the good part of all with the cutter is my bowl is clean. So let's do it. I'm adding a little olive oil and paprika, and we are going to use this as the base of the quiche instead of the dough. Making layers. We need to make around 4 layers. I'm going to show to you, and let's go. Now it's going to the oven 20 minutes, temperature 200 degrees, to add 2 garlics. Remember that you can peel your garlic in Thermomix. So normally what I do is peel a lot of garlic, and then I use a recipe that the name is confit garlic, and I left like this in my fridge. So every time is ready. 2 garlics, and then the recipe asks for onion. You have the request for 150 grams. So if you don't have the scale here immediately, press the dots scale, and you are going to have the measure there. We are going to use only all the time there, and we are going to put after that any ingredient that you are going to add to your bowl to chop, in this case, should be this size. No bigger than this. We are going to close, and we are going to use the measuring cup that is this attachment, and we are going to chop 3 seconds in speed 5. Only we are going to make sure that everything is at the bottom, because sometimes it's going to be up. Please use only the spatula. I highly recommend only use the spatula. There is another video that it's there that how you can take care of your spatula. And now we are going to close, and we are going to add the simmering basket. Oh my lord, this onion. 3 minutes and speed 100 degrees and speed 5. So now I can go do other things and come back in 3 minutes. Thermomix is cooking for me, and I don't need to be here exactly, but I want to go something in advance. So I'm going to use the preview option and to take the rest of the ingredients ready to go. Request feta cheese. I can do it here at home. I would prefer with mozzarella. I do with the mozzarella. I buy the big blocks, and then in Thermomix I use 5 seconds, speed 5, and it's going to be like this. So I'm going to remove the simmering basket. Remember the layer, put it like the lid, put it like this, please. Why? To avoid that the counter is going to be dirty. And I'm going to, one more time, remember to press there and measure, in that case, the cheese. Here is the mozzarella with the onion and the garlic. I'm going to add the baby spinach. Also, 5 eggs. What I suggest is all the time use the measuring cup because you are going to, this one is going to be dirty anyway. The measuring cup, what is the name? Because it measures 50 or 100 ml. And what I do every time that I'm going to crack eggs is use the measuring cup and empty your egg to be sure that your egg is perfectly, and then transfer with the rest of the food in case that your egg is damaged. You don't want to make everything to throw it away, all the food. So we are going to add the eggs. We are going to add also the white cream, and then add a lot of the pepper, fresh pepper. If you have it handy, you can add it a little. And obviously, if the cheese, if you added the feta cheese, is going to be salty. Otherwise, you can add a little more salt if it's okay at your home. I'm going to close, and I'm going to 10 seconds automatically at the speed. 20 minutes, and the sweet potatoes are in the process. We have all the filling. I'm going to use only the spatula to complete this one, and at the top I'm going to add a little of the prosciutto, then go to the oven 180. So we are going to decrease a little the temperature of the oven for 30 minutes until it's firm, and it's going to be ready. You can enjoy this one with a salad, and there are many options in the Thermomix. So look, it's beautiful. I'm going to decorate to